Hello 12th class. Today my topic is conditioning. It's a brief introduction of conditioning. Conditioning is a long term exercise which is based on regular exercises, and it just improves through the different exercises, but it is based on the regular basis exercises. And when we can say body has become conditioned, when player does not feel tiredness, he does not feel fatigue, it means body has been conditioned. So when it may be conditioned, then when it will be not getting tired or not feeling fatigue, then so some method also even in this condition improves his second wind. What is second wind? Second wind is a method when player is taking part in a long distance running, and suddenly in the beginning he feels tiredness, then slowly gradually he come back in his position. So after that he does not feel tired. That is called the second wind. This is a brief introduction. And second, another thing, the cooling down. This is called the limbering down also. Limbering down is a method to cool down your body after vigorous exercises or competition, because it is method to bring back your pulse rate in a normal condition. During the matches pulse rate become high, blood circulation increases, so it brings back in normal condition through the cooling down. So there are some we can say exercise which keeps the body cool down. This is the stretching exercise. First is hamstring. Hamstring is a method to cool down. Also stretching exercise is important. So what happens, on your back, just one leg, raise your one leg just towards the ceiling or sky and press towards the chest. Same, do it for the alternate ways, right then left. Another thing, chest expansion. What is chest expansion? Interlock your fingers. You can see interlock your fingers and expand your chest. This is the chest extension. And another point which is comes here, gluteus. Gluteus is, you can lie down on your back, slightly bend your knees and just crossword like that and stretch your. Then another tricep or shoulder stretch. You can put one hand there, then back and hold it, stretch like that. So this is the little bit cooling down method. So hope you will understand this. And one more thing, just do in a proper way. Okay, so thank you very much.